I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. We got back a little bit ago, a few days, you know, all the catching up you have to do when you get back from a trip. We took 2 trips to South Dakota in 2 weeks, whirlwind. Had a lot of fun, got to see friends, really, really fun. Remember when I went to South Dakota the first time and they had the Shadow High dolls for $20? They did again. I only bought a couple more. I thought about getting a full set in boxes, but you know, 2 trips to South Dakota, doll show coming up July 31st through August 3rd. Hey, let me know if you're coming to that so I can have a happy pack ready for you. And, you know, some other traveling we'd like to do. So, you know, that money only spends once. Doggone it. I had a bunch of dolls waiting in the mail when I got home. I had some Blythe and some other items from AliExpress. But Dory from Dory's Dollies left a message in my comments that Target had Rainbow High on sale. I might have gone. I might have bought. You know, I can't help it. When these are $16, in fact, I think she was $13, like just less than 14. Had to have her. And while we were there, these were on sale for less than 25. Yeah, I should have got all 3, but as I said, that money thing. You know, it only spends once. Doggone it, it only spends once. And then the doll that I have been looking for and wanting to find on sale, and that is the last of the winter break, and actually my favorite, Poppy. I think she was $18.49. So I added these to my collection, and I am really tickled. You know, I do wish I had got the other 2 rock stars, and I almost wish I would have got 2 of this gal so that I could open one, because I like to keep them in the boxes. But I like her, I bought her. We'll see what else they have on sale. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. What dolls have you found on sale lately? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.